Yo, what's up? It's Jordan with Martin Investment Group. Just a quick video to show how this works. I know for somebody who's a newer trader, or even if you're an advanced trader, still might be a little confusing to understand what you're looking at right here. So this is basically just comprising seasonal patterns in different companies, right? The same way that people flood the gyms in January every year, the same way people flood the retail stores like Walmart, Target, Best Buy, Apple, Amazon, and they get a bunch of customers every year at the end of the year, right? Black Friday, Christmas time. The same year those things happen every year, there's cycles where companies go up and down routinely year after year after year. And so what this is just showing you is based on historical data, price, right, that's happened in the past, all historical, not made up. Now you can go look it up, right? What stocks move up during a certain time of the year, certain date to certain date, starting in November, right? And so in another link that shows you, of course, you'll have this, you'll have a link to the webinar where I actually break through like how this works and why it works in more detail. But the simple way you're looking at this is historically the past 23 years, Deere, right? That's John Deere, the little lawnmowers and all of that. All right, their company's stock, if you bought it on the 1st of November, adjust for weekends and all of that, and sold it on the 26th of December, play around Christmas, adjust for holidays, weekends, you would have only lost 2 of those trades, right? And you would have won 21 of those with an average profit of 10%, right? So it's a 91% win rate over the 23 years of trading this same stock during the same time for a little bit about a month, maybe 2 months or so in length, right? Over and over again with an average profit that's about the average profit the stock market returns annually. All right, so that's how it works. This isn't me telling you what to buy, when to buy, but based on history, based on data, and we know history tends to repeat itself, these are companies that when bought on these dates, sold on these dates, they tend to see growth year over year. Right. Now, of course, you can follow this blindly, and I've done it before and made money just going off the historical data because it is history and it's fact-based. The other thing you can do is still apply technical analysis. And if you don't understand technical analysis, then that's where you might want to step into a course. You might want to step into the Discord. We can show you how to actually look at the price on the charts so you can not only know when to buy these things, but when to pinpoint your best entry and your best exit. Because although the average profit for a Deere is 10%, it might go up 15% and then drop back down. And if you don't know that that's the best time to sell it, you're going to be giving back some of those gains. Or if you wait a little bit longer, you might be able to get it at a discount. So that's it for this video. Real quick, wanted to break this down so you had a clear understanding of what it is and some insights to how to use it. And of course, like I said, in the courses and in the Discord, you'll learn the things you need to take this from something that can make you, a pretty good amount of money to something that can make you a lot of money and make you a lot more successful with your trading, especially for the month of November. And I put these out in the profit calendar every month. I send these out to people where they know exactly what stocks they can look at for the upcoming month that have a great chance to be successful. If you got questions, just hit me back on Instagram. I'm always happy to help.